In the Iran-Iraq War, Iranian F-5s were used in air-to-air combat and ground attack missions. Ethiopia and Eritrea both flew F-5s during their border war in the 1990s. The F-5 was used by South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, Brazil, Chile, Norway, and Switzerland, among many others. Taiwanese F-5s were frequently scrambled to intercept Chinese aircraft. The Royal Norwegian Air Force used F-5s until the early 2000s. Switzerland flew the F-5 as both a fighter and a display aircraft in the Patrouille Suisse.